Good morning students. I welcome you all to Social Science Vidyapit channel. As you know that this is our second channel. Earlier many videos of your social science from class 6 to 12 those were already uploaded in our Social Science with NKSR channel, and we are glad for your appreciation messages which you have sent for your good performance in your term 1 exam. And as you requested, sir, we need one more channels where we can get the enough materials for our term 2 exam. So for your term 2 syllabus will be uploaded in this channel along with some more social science contents, and we expect that we will get the same cooperation and support in this Social Science Vidyapit channel like you have given us in the Social Science with NKSR channel. And we expect that you must have subscribed this Social Science Vidyapit channel along with Social Science with NKSR channel, because as you know, every day we upload many educational videos of your social science class 6 to 12 in this channel. So if you subscribe the channel, you will get the instant notification of the newly added video, so that will helpful for you. And every video, if you see till the end, it is my advice, if you see the videos till the end, it will helpful for you to understand. Okay. uh, so um so today my team is ready to record one video of class 9 social and political life chapter democratic rights. As I always suggest you should sit with one notebook and pen, so you will write the answer of the MCQ based question. In this way you can evaluate yourself how much you understood from this chapter. Okay. So I hope you all are ready, so shall we start now? Your first question is, in days about 600 people were put in jail by the US forces from all over the world. And your options are Saudi Arabia and Guantanamo Bay and Kosovo and India. The right answer is Guantanamo Bay. In Guantanamo Bay, 600 people were put in jail by the US forces from all over the world. Okay. So those who have written this answer, you can give 1 mark for yourself. Moving toward the next question, when was National Human Rights Commission set up by law? And your options are in 1990, in 1989, in 1999, and in 1993. The right answer is in 1993, National Human Rights Commission set up by law. Moving toward the next question, which country is ruled by a hereditary king and the people have no role in electing or changing their rulers? The options are Kosovo and Saudi Arabia, USA, and none of this. So the right answer is Saudi Arabia, ruled by the hereditary king, and the people have no role in electing or changing their rules. Okay. Moving toward the next question, Kosovo was a province of Des before its split. So your options are Vietnam, Zimbabwe, Sri Lanka, Yugoslavia. The right answer is Yugoslavia. Kosovo was a province of Yugoslavia before it split. Okay. Moving toward the next question, why do we need rights in a democracy? Your options are for sustenance of a democracy, to protect minorities from the oppression of majority, both A and B, and none of this. Your options are both A and B. So we need rights in a democracy because your option number A and B, which is the right answer, is for sustenance of democracy we write, and to protect minorities from the oppression of majority we need the rights. Okay. Moving toward the next question, what does right to freedom mean? Freedom of speech and expression, equality before law, freedom of religion, right against exploitation. Okay. So the right answer of this right to freedom mean freedom of speech and expression. This is right to freedom. Moving toward the next question, who called the right to constitutional remedies the heart and soul of our constitution? Okay. So who called the right to constitutional remedies the heart and soul of our constitution? Your options are Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Srimati Indira Gandhi. The right answer is the person who called the right to constitutional remedies the heart and soul of our constitution is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who was known as the father of our constitution. Moving toward the next question, what does IPS stand for? people's interest litigation, public interest law, public international litigation, and public interest litigation. The right answer is public interest litigation. What does the word beggar mean? Practice where the worker is forced to render service to the master free of charge, and the claims of persons recognized by society and sanctions by law, and selling and buying of human beings, and none of the above. So as you know that beggar means the practice where the worker is forced to render service to the master free of charge. Moving to the next question, who appoints the National Human Rights Commission? Your options are the President, a senior retired judge, the Vice President, the Prime Minister. So the National Human Rights Commissions appointed by the President. Which one of the fundamental right? Your options are right to equality, right to freedom, right to use influence in personal work, and right to freedom of religion. The right answer is right to use influence in personal work. Okay, so this is not a fundamental work. The right answer is right to use influence in personal work. Moving to the next question, a person who is arrested and detained shall be produced before the nearest magistrate within a period of days hours. Your options are 12 hours, 24 hours, 35 hours, and 48 hours. The right answer, the person who is arrested and detained shall be produced before the nearest magistrate within a period of days, hour of arrest, 24 hours of arrest. Okay. So student, these are some of the important MCQ based questions of this class 9 chapter democratic rights, which are prepared from the inside of this chapter's topics. I hope this MCQ based question will be helpful for you to get good marks in your term 2 exam. So those who have missed to write any answer of any question, so as you know that I prepared the question from inside of the topic, so you should read the topic inside topic of this chapter so that you will able to answer all the answer correctly. Okay, so we will meet in the next video with some more MCQ based questions. Thank you.